Myself, good morning everyone. Myself, Mahendra Ashok Gaikwad, subject chemistry, unique code CHEM 2106. My seminar topic is synthesis, characterization, and biological screening of some newer nitrogen, oxygen, and sulfur containing bioactive heterocycles. Heterocycles mean cyclic ring containing one heteroatom like nitrogen, oxygen, and sulfur. About problem, the nitrogen, oxygen, and sulfur containing heterocycles are important class of compounds in pharmaceuticals and of many physiologically active natural products and also contributed to the society from biological and industrial point, which helps to improve life processes. It was envisaged that these two active pharmacophores, if linked together, would generate novel molecular templates which are likely to exhibit interesting biological properties in animal models. The chemistry and biological study of heterocyclic compound has been an interesting field for a long time in medicinal chemistry. Nitrogen, oxygen, and sulfur containing heterocycles are considered as an important class of compounds in medicinal chemistry because of their diversified biological applications. My idea. The main objective of the medicinal chemistry is to synthesize the compounds that show promising activity as therapeutic agents with low toxicity. The most successful biological active heterocyclic compounds are benzimidazole, coumarin, 1,2-benzi, benzioxazole, pyrazolene, isoxazoles, flavins, benzodiazepine, and thiazepine derivatives, etc. The aim of research is to be develop new bioactive entitles, especially with biological active molecules bearing heterocyclic ring system name 1,2,3 triazole to characterize these products for structural elucidation using spectroscopic technique like IR, HNMR, and mass spectral studies to check the purity of all compounds using thin layer chromatography to evaluate these new products for better drug potential agent different strain of bacteria and fungi to activity of synthesized compounds compared with known standard drugs. Working principle. Chalcones. Chalcones alpha beta unsaturated carbonyls play a crucial role in many biological processes as well as is well known intermediates for synthesizing various heterocycles and bear a very good synthon so that variety of novel heterocycles with good pharmaceutical profile can be designed. Literature reveals that chalcones derivative possess antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal activity. Hence, it was thought worthwhile to synthesize chalcones derivatives. The structure is given below. Targeted outcomes. The aim of research is to develop new bioactive entities, especially with biological active molecules bearing heterocyclic system, namely 1,2,3 triazole. We have decided to synthesize a series of heterocyclic compounds like chalcones, benzimidazole, coumarin, 1,2, benzioxazole, pyrazolene, isoxazoles, flavins, benzodiazepine, and thiazepine derivative of 1,2,3 triazole, etc. Thank you. Thank you very much.